So we're searching for the mysterious cat again.
That is a good picture, Tanner.
Of the first. She's talking about the first video.
Yeah, the one where his eyes are glowing. That's cool.
Not in there.
So we're looking for the mysterious. Oh! We spotted him.
We spotted
Now
mysterious.
you guys, he might have to go potty. Watch out. You're gonna get burnt.
Let him go to the bathroom. I'm not gonna get this on camera.
No, he's okay. Like,
But I have a secret apartment where I can watch him.
come on, Tanner. Let's go do the done.
Now you're gonna need to wash your hands if you're gonna eat.
I know. I'm not gonna touch him.
Mysterious cat will come to you. Dun 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 dun.
Oh no! We need to chase after.
Go.
Go, baby. Go, 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 baby. There's the cat. The mysterious and most meow cat. Where did the cat go? He's right there! Da, da, da. Looks like the cat is resting. Now, that's all for
Adam,
part
yours is ready. It's hot though. And then Tanner's is up.
Addie, look at me real quick.
Leave it alone for a while, man.
Look at me real
Might
quick.
have to go-